Today, I'll walk you through how to create a trend or line chart in Power BI, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to visualize your data effectively so you can make informed decisions based on trends. First, let's open your Power BI dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The core functions remain the same. Once you're in your dashboard, navigate to the Visualizations pane on the right side of your screen. Here, you'll find various chart options. Click on the line chart icon. This is the tool we'll be using to create our trend chart. Now, let's move on to the next step. In your data pane, you will need to drag the relevant data that you want to visualize. Think of this step like picking the right ingredients for a recipe. The quality of your data will determine the outcome of your chart. Next, in the Visualizations pane, look down to the x-axis. Right-click on it, and then select the name of the data you just dragged in. This action sets the foundation for your chart, allowing it to display the data accurately along the x-axis. Now, let's enhance our chart. Click on the Format Visual icon, which looks like a small paintbrush. This is where you can customize your chart to make it visually appealing. Once you're in the Format Visual options, search for Data Labels. This feature allows you to display the values directly on the chart, making it easier for viewers to understand the data at a glance. Simply click on the toggle to turn on the data labels. And there you have it. You've successfully created a trend or line chart in Power BI. This chart will help you identify patterns and trends in your data, making it a powerful tool for analysis. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.